Hi guys, and welcome to task number 1. Today you are going to access Google Drive. Then you are going to pin the shortcut down to your taskbar on your MacBook. So the first thing we want to do is access Google Drive. You can do this in 2 ways. The first and easiest way is just to go here and start typing in drive.google.com. And as you can see, it automatically pulls up. I use this frequently, and anytime you use something frequently, it will pick it up automatically. So you can go in that way, or you can come over to the Waffle or your app launcher, also called your app launcher. Click there, and you'll see if you look down here, here is the app, and you can get into Google Drive that way. Okay. Once you're into Google Drive, we now want to create that shortcut. And to do that, you're going to go up here to the top and you'll see these 3 dots. This is the top right corner of your Chrome bar. Anytime you see these 3 dots in Google or any other tool, that always means that you have more options. So I'm going to go there and I'm going to click on it and then scroll down to more tools. And it'll have a pop-up box, and you'll see here where it says create shortcut. I'm going to click that. And then it's going to bring up a question for you. So it's going to give you to create shortcut. It shows you the image of the app, and then it gives you a choice to change the name. So if you wanted to create a Google Drive, like a personal Google Drive, you might want to name it personal Google Drive, or if you wanted to do one for school, you could do school Google Drive. I'm just going to leave it exactly like it is, and I'm going to click create. Once I click create, it's going to pop up another box that shows me it is now saved into my Chrome apps. Okay, that we don't need that tool anymore. So what we're wanting to do now is go down and pull up your dock bar and go to your Launchpad. Now that you get to your Launchpad, you're going to see all the apps that you have shortcuts for. And here is Google Drive. So in order to get that down in the dock, you want to click on it and drag it down. You can put it wherever you want. I'm just going to stick it here. And now we've created our shortcut. Okay, now that we have it down in our dock, it'll be easy access that we can get to at any time. So now it is your turn. If you've not already, please turn on your device and pin the shortcut down to your dock bar on your MacBook.